What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here with the Auto Works. Here lately we've been doing some awesome spray outs with primer, and you guys have wanted to see all various different primer colors with clear coat on top of them. Now I have been doing some pearls over top, and you guys seem to like that, but you all guys also want to see it with just clear coat because you're just trying to gauge an idea of what the colors look like and can it be done. So what I've got here today, guys, is pretty much a selection of every color of Rust-Oleum primer. We got white, we got gray, we got black, and we got the red oxide. And of course I got my trusty Speedo Coat Clear 2K urethane, which works great over pretty much any surface, especially when it comes to Rust-Oleum. And I got my hood right here prepped up. So I guess you guys are probably already knowing where this is going. We are going to four-tone, that's right, four-tone this hood. We're going to divide it into 4 sections with this primer, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear coat it. Half of it is just going to be clear so you guys can see the actual color, and then the other half I'm going to break out a really cool new pearl. We're going to shoot it over top, and we're going to see what kind of results we get. But before we get into clear coats and pearls over this primer, first we got to lay down some primer. So let me show you what we got real quick, and yeah, we'll get into today's video. Start spraying some primer on this hood. Alright guys, so we got our primers laid down behind me, all 4 of them on this hood. It's been about 10 minutes since I started spraying. Spray paint flashes off really quickly if you're going to do this type of stuff, but this is just an experiment today. I got my Speedo Coat Clear. It mixes 4 to 1. Typically I'll do 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. That's 5 ounces total. I'm doubling that today because I'm doing a hood, and what we're going to do is probably put a coat or 2 of just clear on this hood first so we can get a good slick glossy finish, and then I'm going to add Mineral Glacier Pearl. I did this over gray primer and you guys seem to like it, and it's a good white particle neutral pearl to go over top, and I'm going to do that over half of this and seal that with clear as well. We'll take it out in the sun and I'll show you guys the results so you can finally see what different primers look like with different clears and pearl as well. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I got my first coat of clear coat laid down on it, and the way we're going to do this is I've mixed up another 10 ounces of clear total and split it into 5s. And what I'm going to do is half of it is going to get pearl, the other half's not, and then if I have to mix up more clear to seal everything, that's fine. I got half a teaspoon. I'm probably going to do about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm not going to do a half a teaspoon into this mix because it really don't take much pearl to get a cool effect. And that's kind of what I'm going for today, guys. I'm not going for crazy full coverage like I usually do. Just a basic effect over this primer. Something simple for you guys to check out. So I'm going to mix this up real quick, and I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix, and we'll get to spraying. Alright guys, so if you remember from last time, this is Mineral Glacier Pearl. It does have a little bit of a rainbow effect. It is a white particle pearl. It is very pretty, just a white base simple pearl. And as far as the can of it goes, that's it right there, Mineral Glacier by KP Pigment. Sorry, the label's messed up. But anyways, I'm going to load up the V-Vor gun and let's get to spraying. guys, so I wanted to do this where you can get a very good look at it. So this is the white with a little bit of mineral pearl in it. If you can see, it sparkles at certain lights. That's pretty cool. This is the gray, even more sparkle. You saw that on that past episode. This is the black. It looks very much like a tuxedo black. And of course, this is the red oxide with a mineral glacier pearl over top. Pretty crazy. And then as far as just your basic primers, if you just wanted to see a good idea of what it would look like glossed, these are it, guys. Red oxide, black, gray, and white. Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. Various different primers with 2K urethane clear and pearls. Can it work? Yeah, it can work, and it does harden up like it's supposed to. And I've seen many people on the forums online that have done this full scale and had great results. So it can work, especially with 2X stuff, as you saw. And yeah, it was a fun experiment for today. And now you guys see a full range of colors and what you can expect if you put clear coat over primer. If you had a lot of fun with me today, guys, on this video, please hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode and cool experiments like this. And if you want to buy the clear coat, the paint gun, anything you saw me use in today's episode, guys, links will be in the description. As see it on YouTube, take some to my Amazon. You can purchase stuff there. We get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Prime. I had a lot of fun doing this experiment today, guys. It's always cool shooting clear coat over primer just because, you know, it's just an oddball thing to do, and you guys seem to love it. So, yeah, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.